That noise. Early one morning, while the sun was rising over the icy plains of the Arctic, a long, low, rumbling sound woke Manus from a very deep sleep. What's that noise, he wondered. Rumble, rumble, rumble. Could it be the wind? Could it be the sea? Could it be an iceberg cracking? Manus just couldn't figure it out. He needed to find a friend with a good pair of ears. Hello, Hare, said Manus. Can you help me? What's that noise? Hare listened. Rumble, rumble. I don't know, said Hare, but let's go ask our friends. Rumble, rumble. So Manus and Hare set off over the ice, and all the while the rumbling sound followed them. By the frosty forest they met Owl. Hello, Owl, Manus said. Can you help us? What's that noise? Is it the cracking of the trees? Rumble, rumble, rumble. Owl listened. Oh, no, she said. It is not the creaking of the trees. On the top of the snowy rocks, they met Fox. Hello, Fox, said Manus. Can you help us? What's that noise? Is it the whistling of the wind? Rumble, rumble, rumble. Fox listened. Oh, no, he said. It's not the whistling of the wind. By the icy river, they met Polar Bear. Hello, Bear. Can you help us? What's that noise? Is it the cracking of the ice? Rumble, rumble. Bear listened. Oh, no, she said. It is not the cracking of the ice. At last, by the edge of the sea, they met Walrus. Please, Walrus, can you help us? What is that noise? Is it the roaring of the sea? Rumble, rumble. Oh, no, said Walrus. It is not the roaring of the sea, but I think I know what it could be. Diving into the water and catch the plummest, pinkiest shrimp you can find. With a splash, Manus dived down to the deeps of the sea, and there he found lots of plump pink shrimp. He brought them back to Walrus, and they had a delicious feast. Suddenly, they realized that it was very quiet. The noise had stopped. It wasn't the creaking of the trees or the whistling of the wind, said Manus. It wasn't the cracking of the ice or the roaring of the seas. The great rumbling sound has been coming from me. And everyone laughed to think of all that noise coming from Manus's rumbling, grumbling, hungry tummy. So after their long day, and with their tummies full and the friends settled down to a deep sleep. It was very peaceful. But then, Walrus peeled open one wrinkly eye. What's that noise? It was the long, loud, rumbling sound of sleepy seal snoring. Good night, Manus. Rumble, rumble.